Have you ever said worm when you meant warm? Or mixed them up when native speakers said them? You're not alone. Today we're solving this pronunciation puzzle once and for all, and it's easier than you think. Hi, I'm your guide at Daily English Edge. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to pronounce worm and warm so they sound natural and native speakers understand you instantly. We'll break down the sounds, show you mouth position, and give you real sentences you can use today. Let's go. The key difference is the vowel sound in the middle. Worm has the e-tao sound, as that's like a long, deep o-uh sound. Say it with me. Worm, worm, worm. Feel how your mouth stays slightly open and relaxed? Now listen to warm. It has the o sound. That's rounder, more like an ah sound. Warm, warm, warm. Hear the difference? The e in worm is more neutral and central in your mouth. The o in warm is rounder and comes from further back in your throat. This is the foundation of everything. Once you own this vowel difference, you'll never confuse them again. Let's look at how your mouth moves. For worm with the e sound, your lips are almost neutral. They're not rounded, they're not spread wide. Your tongue sits in the middle of your mouth, relaxed. It's a short, closed position. Now for warm with the o sound, your lips round slightly, like you're about to say oh. Your jaw drops a little bit more. Your tongue pulls back slightly. These positions are different, and your mouth naturally creates the right sound if you move correctly. Watch my mouth. Worm, warm. See how warm has more lip rounding? That's the physical clue. Now let's practice with real sentences. Sentence 1 with worm. I found a worm in the garden after the rain. Try saying that. The worm is the creature in the soil. Sentence 2 with warm. I like to drink warm tea in the morning. That warm means the temperature is hot but comfortable. Here's a trick sentence. The warm blanket was made of yarn, and there was a worm on the fence post. 2 different words, 2 different sounds, same sentence. Say it slowly. Worm, warm. Can you hear how different they are now? Practice these sentences 3 times each, and your mouth will remember the position. Here's what we hear ESL learners do. They often say both words the same way because they rush. They don't take time to move their mouth differently. Another mistake is over-rounding worm. They make the o-ew, yees sound when they should make the ee sound. Remember, worm is neutral and central. Don't round your lips too much. Warm is the rounder one. Also, don't confuse these with similar words like word or war. Word sounds like worm, but it has a d at the end. War is different entirely. Focus only on worm and warm today. Once you nail these, the others become easy. Here's a memory trick that works. Worm is long and thin. Think about an actual worm in the soil, right? The e-o, sauce sound is stretched and neutral, like a worm stretching out. Warm is round and cozy. Think about wrapping yourself in a warm blanket or drinking warm soup. The o-wo sound is rounder mouth shape, because warm is about comfort and roundness. So, worm equals stretched and neutral. Warm equals round and cozy. Repeat those words with that image in your mind, and your brain and mouth will lock it in naturally. You've just learned the pronunciation difference between worm and warm, the vowel sound, the mouth position, real sentences, and a memory trick. Now here's the most important part. Practice these words out loud 5 times today. Say the sentences, record yourself, and listen. Your ear and mouth need to hear this and feel this to make it stick. Subscribe to Daily English Edge for a new English lesson every single day, and you'll master English sounds faster than you ever thought possible. See you tomorrow.